Welcome to week 7, session 4. The topic is during event activities and planning. Introduction. Stepping into the dynamic realm of during event activities, event planners find themselves at the nexus of meticulous planning and real-time execution, where strategies crystallize into live experiences. This pivotal phase marks the transition from the static elegance of pre-event preparations to the pulsating vibrancy of the live event. It's the moment when blueprints become a canvas, awaiting the brushstrokes of seamless coordination, strategic responsiveness, and the unpredictable cadence of live interactions. The pulse quickens as planners navigate through a myriad of responsibilities, from venue dynamics to speaker intricacies, catering nuances to guest interactions. The event at this juncture is not merely a scheduled occurrence. It transforms into a living, breathing entity, fueled by the collective energy of participants and the orchestrated efforts of the planning team. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the heart of during event activities, unraveling the layers of strategic decisions and on the spot adaptability that define this phase. From the fluid management of workshops to the strategic utilization of branding opportunities, each component contributes to the creation of an immersive and unforgettable experience. As we navigate the pulsating currents of live events, where plans are not just executed but dynamically sculpted, and where the synergy of moments culminates in an unforgettable crescendo. Venue familiarization. Arriving early at the venue is akin to stepping onto the canvas of a masterpiece yet to unfold. Beyond verifying the room setup, event planners engage in a detailed walkthrough to assess the aesthetic elements. Ensuring that the ambience aligns with the event's theme contributes to a holistic sensory experience for attendees. Aesthetic assessment. The visual appeal of the venue plays a pivotal role in creating a lasting impression. Event planners meticulously evaluate the lighting, decor, and overall atmosphere to guarantee it resonates with the event's purpose and enhances attendee engagement. Technical rehearsal. In addition to confirming audiovisual equipment functionality, event planners conduct thorough technical rehearsals. This involves testing microphones, projectors, and any other technical components to minimize disruptions during sessions. Temperature and comfort management. Adjusting the room temperature goes beyond mere comfort. It's a strategic element. Event planners recognize that maintaining an optimal temperature influences the energy levels and engagement of the audience. This entails considering factors like ventilation and climate control. VIP seating strategy. Reserved seating for special guests and speakers is a thoughtful aspect of venue familiarization. It's not just about physical arrangement, it's a manifestation of appreciation. Event planners strategically place VIPs to enhance their visibility, ensuring a seamless and respectful experience. Facilities confirmation. Verifying the availability and cleanliness of restrooms may seem minor but contributes significantly to the overall attendee experience. Attention to exit locations is not merely about safety. It's a proactive approach to guide smooth transitions between sessions and activities. Caterer coordination. Coordination with caterers extends beyond logistical aspects. It's an art of gastronomic orchestration. Beyond verifying arrival and setup, event planners engage in pre-event tastings to guarantee the quality of offerings. Gastronomic collaboration. Collaboration with catering staff involves more than just addressing challenges. Event planners continuously work with caterers to introduce surprise elements or themed refreshments, that align with the event's overall theme, enhancing the gastronomic experience. Real-time guest feedback. Continuous check-ins during the event involves gathering real-time feedback on guest preferences. This dynamic approach to catering not only ensures guest satisfaction but also provides valuable insights for future events. Themed refreshments. A dynamic approach to catering involves introducing surprise elements or themed refreshments, enhancing the overall event experience. This could include custom cocktails, branded desserts, or thematic food stations that align with the event's concept. Guest greeting and counting. The act of greeting transcends a mere handshake. It sets the emotional tone for the entire event. Event planners train staff not just in procedural aspects, but in the art of genuine and warm reception. Personalized engagement. The systematic check-in process becomes an opportunity for personalized engagement. Event planners focus on gathering insights into attendee expectations, ensuring each guest feels acknowledged and valued. Contingency planning. The contingency plan for an unexpected guest extends beyond numbers. It's about seamlessly integrating newcomers into the event fabric. Event planners prepare for unexpected changes in attendance, ensuring a smooth and welcoming experience for everyone. Emotional tone setting. Beyond procedural training, staff members are coached to set the emotional tone for the event. This involves understanding the significance of the occasion and conveying genuine warmth in their interactions with attendees. Speaker communication. Communication with speakers metamorphoses into a collaborative partnership. Beyond conveying technical details, event planners engage in pre-event rehearsals to fine-tune presentations. Collaborative rehearsals. Engaging speakers in pre-event rehearsals is a proactive approach to fine-tune presentations. This collaborative effort ensures that speakers are well acquainted with the event flow and any specific instructions. Comprehensive timelines. Providing speakers with a comprehensive timeline goes beyond scheduling. It includes buffer periods, acknowledging the fluidity of live events. This detailed approach ensures that presentations align seamlessly with the overall event schedule. On-site technical support. Ensuring speakers have necessary equipment expands to offering on-site technical support during presentations. This proactive measure minimizes the risk of technical glitches, contributing to a smooth and impactful delivery. Communication coordination. Communication channels become not just conduits of information, but interactive mediums. Beyond announcements, event planners foster real-time engagement through live polls and audience interactions. Interactive mediums. Communication channels are designed to be interactive. Event planners leverage live polls, Q&A sessions, and other interactive features to keep attendees engaged and encourage active participation. Social media contingency. Contingency plans extend to social media platforms with dedicated personnel ready to address queries and concerns promptly. Social media becomes an extension of the event's communication strategy with real-time updates and engagement. Adaptable communication strategies. The adaptability of communication strategies becomes evident in the ability to shift gears seamlessly in response to audience dynamics. Event planners are prepared to adjust communication approaches based on attendee feedback and emerging trends. Guest services. Guest services evolve into proactive experience management. Staff training includes not just standard procedures, but anticipatory problem solving. Anticipatory problem solving. Staff members are trained to anticipate potential issues and proactively address them before they escalate. This approach ensures a seamless experience for guests and minimizes disruptions. Real-time technology integration. The real-time monitoring of guest experience involves leveraging technology for sentiment analysis. Event planners integrate real-time feedback collection mechanisms, allowing for immediate issue resolution and continuous improvement. Gamified feedback collection. Feedback collection becomes an interactive process with gamified elements encouraging active participation. Attendees are incentivized to provide feedback through interactive and enjoyable mechanisms. Time management. The event timeline transforms from a rigid structure to a flexible framework. Meticulous monitoring includes not just session durations, but attendee engagement levels. Dynamic scheduling. Real-time adjustments extend to dynamic scheduling, accommodating impromptu networking opportunities or interactive sessions. This flexibility ensures that the event remains responsive to the evolving needs and preferences of attendees. Collaborative schedule communication. Communication of schedule changes becomes a collaborative effort with instant updates available through event apps and live feeds. Attendees are kept informed and any changes are communicated promptly to minimize disruptions. Attendee engagement monitoring. Meticulous monitoring includes not just session durations, but also tracking attendee engagement levels. This data informs event planners about the popularity of specific sessions and helps refine future event schedules. Workshops and breakout sessions. In-depth workshops and breakout sessions are pivotal components of business event, serving as knowledge hubs and interactive forums. Event planners should not only coordinate these sessions, but also strategize ways to make them more engaging. Facilitator training. Facilitators play a crucial role in the success of workshops and breakout sessions. Event planners invest in facilitator training, ensuring they have the skills to encourage active participation through interactive tools such as live polls, group discussions, and real-world case studies. Post-session networking opportunities. Coordinating post-session networking opportunities enhances the overall educational experience. Attendees are provided with platforms to discuss session insights, fostering meaningful connections within the professional community. Continuous improvement feedback loop. Post-session feedback is essential, providing valuable insights into the effectiveness of these learning opportunities. Event planners establish a continuous improvement feedback loop using attendee feedback to refine and enhance future workshop and breakout session offerings. Data collection and analytics. A robust system for collecting attendee data is a gold mine of information for event planners. Leveraging analytics tools provides a comprehensive understanding of attendee behavior, preferences, and engagement levels. Comprehensive data gathering. Event planners implement a comprehensive system for collecting attendee data, encompassing registration details, session attendance, and interaction patterns. This data forms the basis for informed decision-making and personalized attendee experiences. Real-time analytics utilization. Leveraging analytics tools in real time enhances event responsiveness. Event planners utilize real-time analytics to track attendee movements, popular sessions, and engagement levels, allowing for immediate adjustments to enhance the overall event experience. Business card exchange. Beyond traditional business card exchanges, event planners should create designated networking areas to facilitate meaningful connections. Digitized networking platforms. Encouraging attendees to connect on professional networking platforms modernizes traditional business card exchanges. Event planners promote the use of digital tools that allow attendees to scan and digitize business cards, ensuring seamless post-event networking. Facilitate networking sessions. Designated networking areas go beyond spontaneous interactions. Event planners facilitate structured networking sessions, providing attendees with opportunities to connect based on interests, industries, or specific discussion topics. Post-event networking opportunities. The networking experience extends beyond the event. Event planners promote post-event networking opportunities through online platforms, fostering continued connections and collaborations among attendees. Sponsor and exhibitor spotlight. Sponsors and exhibitors play a pivotal role in the success of a business event. Going beyond mere acknowledgement, event planners can create dedicated time slots or features to showcase sponsors and exhibitors. Dedicated showcase sessions. Event planners allocate dedicated time slots during main sessions to showcase sponsors and exhibitors. This may involve brief presentations, product demonstrations, or interactive experiences that maximize their visibility and impact. Acknowledgement in event communications. Acknowledging sponsors in various event communications and on digital platforms ensures a lasting and mutually beneficial partnership. Event planners incorporate sponsor highlights in newsletters, social media posts, and event websites, recognizing their contribution to the event's success. Interactive exhibitor area. The exhibitor area is not just a physical space, but an interactive hub. Event planners ensure that exhibitors have opportunities to engage with attendees through interactive displays, contests, and product showcases that enhance the overall attendee experience. Press and media interaction. Facilitating interactions between event speakers and the press is a strategic move to amplify media coverage. Exclusive press briefings. Organizing exclusive press briefings provides media representatives with in-depth insights before the event. Event planners coordinate private sessions where speakers share key takeaways, fostering early media coverage and generating anticipation. Media resource accessibility. Ensuring that media have access to key event information and resources enhances the event's visibility. Event planners create media kits, provide access to high-quality images, and facilitate interviews to support comprehensive media coverage. Post-event media follow-up. The relationship with the media extends beyond the event. Event planners conduct post-event follow-ups with media representatives, providing additional resources, insights, or access to event recordings to sustain media interest. Mobile app engagement. The adoption of event-specific mobile apps enhances attendee engagement. These apps go beyond providing schedules. They incorporate features like live polls, Q&A sessions, and push notifications for real-time updates. Interactive app features. Event-specific mobile apps are designed with interactive features that keep attendees engaged. Live polls, Q&A sessions, and interactive maps enhance the overall app experience, providing a dynamic and personalized event guide. Social feed encouragement. Encouraging attendees to share their experiences on the app's social feed creates a dynamic and interactive digital space. Event planners promote active participation, sharing highlights, photos, and insights, fostering a sense of community among participants. Real-time announced integration. The mobile app becomes a central hub for real-time announcements and updates. Event planners seamlessly integrate real-time information, schedule changes, and important announcements into the app, ensuring attendees stay informed and engaged. Green initiatives. Demonstrating corporate responsibility through green initiatives aligns events with sustainable practices, which is new focus of modern day event to contribute in sustainable development goals of UN. Beyond the symbolic use of recycling bins, event planners can reduce paper usage through digital materials and consider carbon offset initiatives. Sustainable material utilization. Event planners explore sustainable alternatives for event materials, including digital brochures, e-tickets, and eco-friendly promotional items. This commitment to sustainable practices aligns with corporate responsibility and resonates with environmentally conscious attendees. Carbon offset initiatives. Beyond reducing paper usage, event planners may implement carbon offset initiatives to neutralize the event's environmental impact. This can include partnerships with carbon offset organizations or investments in eco-friendly projects. Attendee education on green practices. Events become opportunities to educate attendees on green practices. Event planners incorporate information on sustainable initiatives in event communications and encourage attendees to adopt eco-friendly practices during the event. Professional photography and videography. Investing in high-quality photography and videography is an investment in the event's legacy. Beyond documenting key elements, visual content becomes a powerful marketing tool for post-event promotions. Cinematic event documentation. Photographers and videographers capture the event with a cinematic approach, creating visually appealing and memorable content. This content extends beyond basic documentation, serving as promotional material for future events and marketing campaigns. VIP and speaker interaction focus. Special attention is given to capturing interactions involving VIPs and speakers. Candid moments, interviews, and behind the scenes footage add a personalized touch to the event documentation, creating content that resonates with attendees and sponsors. Post-event editing for promotion. Planning for post-event photo and video editing ensures that promotional materials are ready for immediate use. Event planners collaborate with editing teams. Event planners collaborate with editing teams to produce highlight reels, social media clips, and visually stunning content that maintains attendee engagement post-event. Industry Insights Lounge. Dedicating a space for industry discussions and networking adds a layer of sophistication to a business event. Inviting thought leaders for impromptu discussions or panels on current trends provides attendees with unique insights. Thought leadership panel curation. Event planners curate thought leadership panels featuring industry experts. These panels delve into current trends, challenges, and innovations, providing attendees with valuable insights and facilitating engaging discussions. Attendee participation opportunities. The Industry Insights Lounge is designed for attendee participation. Event planners encourage attendees to share their experiences, best practices, and perspectives, fostering a collaborative atmosphere that extends beyond traditional event sessions. Networking in a relaxed setting. Encouraging networking in a relaxed setting is a key element of the Industry's Insights Lounge. Event planners design comfortable seating areas, interactive displays, and networking activities that promote meaningful connections among attendees. Team building activities. Incorporating team building exercises or challenges during a business event provides attendees with opportunities to collaborate and network in a more relaxed environment. Alignment with event objectives. Team building activities are carefully selected to align with the event's objectives and industry dynamics. Event planners ensure that these activities contribute to a positive and cohesive attendee experience. Networking opportunities. Beyond their primary goal, team building activities offer additional networking opportunities. Attendees engage in collaborative efforts, fostering connections that extend beyond these structured activities. Post-event team engagement. Event planners facilitate post-event team engagement, acknowledging the camaraderie built during team building activities. This may involve recognizing teams through awards or providing digital badges for virtual participants. Gamification. The integration of gamified experiences into a business event adds an element of excitement and engagement. Challenges and quizzes. Integrating challenges, quizzes, or scavenger hunts related to event content incentivizes attendees to actively participate. Event planners design gamified elements that align with the event theme and encourage exploration. Rewards and recognition. Offering rewards or recognition for participants creates a sense of friendly competition. Event planners ensure that the gamification elements contribute positively to the overall attendee experience. Post-event gamification analysis. Post-event, event planners conduct a comprehensive analysis of gamification data. This includes evaluating participation rates, identifying successful elements, and gathering feedback for potential enhancement in future events. Exclusive networking events. Hosting exclusive networking events for VIPs, speakers, and key stakeholders elevates the networking experience. Intimate gathering dynamics. Exclusive networking events provide an intimate setting for meaningful connections. Event planners curate the guest list and create an environment conducive to relaxed discussions and relationship building. Special features or activities. To enhance the exclusivity of these events, event planners may include special features or activities. This could range from exclusive product reviews to facilitated roundtable discussions with industry leaders. Post-event relationship nurturing. Event planners facilitate post-event relationship nurturing for participants in exclusive networking events. This may involve follow-up emails, invitations to future exclusive gatherings, or personalized communication to express appreciation. Trend spotting and innovation hub. Designating an area to showcase industry trends and innovations is a forward-thinking approach. Startup and technology presentations. Inviting startups or technology providers to present cutting-edge solutions adds a dynamic element to the event. Event planners curate a lineup of innovative presentations that align with the event. Conclusion. As the curtain descends on the vibrant spectacle of during event activities, the resonating echoes of strategic execution and immersive experiences linger. This phase, akin to a live performance, demands a harmonious blend of precision and adaptability. The intricacies of venue familiarization, caterer coordination, and guest interactions contribute not only to the event's success, but also to the indelible memories etched in the minds of participants. In this concluding reflection, we celebrate the artistry of event planning, where the fusion of meticulous preparation and dynamic execution transforms moments into lasting impressions. The canvas painted during the event activities phase is not merely a record of occurrences, but a tapestry of experiences woven through the threads of thoughtful planning, strategic agility, and the pulsating heartbeat of live engagement. As participants carry these memories beyond the event's confines, the true impact of this phase unfolds. An event not just witnessed but lived, an orchestrated symphony that resonates far beyond the temporal boundaries of its occurrence.